Mountain Ridge new EnduroCross trail 2026. All right, this is the Mountain Ridge EnduroCross trail. Pro versus Joe edition. That's Jeremy up in front. This is the Joe line. Also the Joe line. This third tire is not too bad actually, but I'm taking the Joe line right now. Those I can do. Joe line, even though I do this. Joe line. I haven't seen these yet. Oh, that's jumpable. So that is most of the track. Starts with these two rock sections. Coming over the first, these aren't very hard. If I can do them, they're not bad. After the rocks, you come through these logs. They're spaced right about bike length for your enjoyment. And then into this little rock garden section right here. Kevin says he built all these obstacles for everybody and they go around them. So don't go around them. Give it a try. A little left today. Rip through the rock section. The next is this little log hop, followed by an uphill. There was a log crossing at the top of the hill, but it broke. So we're going around that log now. Front shot of Jeremy coming through the rocks. Log hop. Up the hill, and he hits the log at the top of the hill, even though it is broken. These big tires are filled in right now, so it's a little easier. Making it look easy. Nice. I feel like Max Kirsten. Here he comes. This comes into the finish of the EnduroCross section. So we go logs, there's some easy lines, some hard lines, to tires that are jumpable, to a little jump here over this log, another log with a kicker, Pick your poison. You got one with a little gap, and then you got one that just goes straight over that big log. There we go. Little jump action. Yes, sir. Very nice. Okay, it's a little pivot log after the downhill. We got a little log jump with the gap. Going to come up the hill and hit another log. And that wraps up the track. Off the jump. Cool. Let's get your first impressions. What do you think?
I think it's slippery out. It's good. It's good. Definitely could get a back half, and you could actually jump those tires right there. We had a little bit of a landing, but other than that, it's looking pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What's your favorite section?
Probably that rock section going into the jump, followed by these tires.
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah, I wish it was a little drier, that way we could attack in between. But by the time you're attacking, you're already on the next tire, so definitely could be a lot better in the dry.
Nice. Well, Well, thanks for showing us around. Mountain Ridge EnduroCross track 2026. Joe's Pro.